On this week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about probably the first and best way to prevent thermal shock on a boiler, and that is to operate and bring the boiler up manually. That way, we are completely in control of when and how much heat goes into the boiler. And that could be as simple as putting the unit in manual operation and turning the manual potentiometer to the minimum position. So on most fire tube boilers, running a boiler on low at the minimum input is sufficient to prevent thermal stress. Now on water tube boilers, industrial water tube boilers, and some other types of boilers, we may need to also only run the boiler for certain timed intervals. So on a large industrial water tube boiler, we'll typically fire the boiler at low, but maybe for 5 minutes. So our typical startup schedule for a water tube boiler is 5 minutes on, 15 minutes off. And we'll do that routine for 2 hours. After that period, we'll run the boiler for 10 minutes and then leave it off for 10 minutes. We'll do that for an additional 2 hours. So that is what we consider our minimum warm-up routine on a water tube boiler. But many fire tube boilers can be brought up just by keeping them in low until we've attained steam pressure.